Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, we are going to talk about another meme coin that is called Pudgy Penguin. And what it's all about their community, why it is so popular right now. But before that, guys, please subscribe to my channel. And this is not a financial advice. Do your own research always. So this is for entertainment only, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the current web page or website of the Pudgy Penguins itself. The Huddle, Pudgy Penguins, a global IP focus on proliferating the penguin mimetic culture and good vibes. So welcome to the world of Pudgy Penguins, a Web3 born brand that fosters creativity, freedom, and community. The Pudgy Penguins brand produces content, merchandise, toys, and digital collectibles, and we're committed to helping you unlock your inner child, guys. It's a very cold place, but you'll always be warm with your new favorite penguin family. So the Pengu, the Prophecy, and the shop toys and figurines. If you want to discover, just click the discover button. You will see all the artists are about this Pudgy Penguin or the artist behind it. So Pudgy Penguins began as an NFT collection in 2021. Shortly after their conception, Pudgy Penguins became an instant sensation during the beginning of the NFT craze, with prints in the New York Times, features on CNBC, and memes that took over the internet. Penguin influence, with toys in millions of homes, over 50 billion social media views, and a dedicated following of millions. It's clear that the world is enamored with the penguin. No brand or character with crypto origins is more widespread and beloved, making Pengu the face and mascot of crypto, guys. Okay, so however, the penguin start wasn't always one of success and positivity. After the initial hype, the Pudgy Penguin faced a challenging period dubbed the Great Blizzard. For 6 months. They were mocked by established NFT projects, becoming the laughingstock of the crypto community and dismissed as a fleeting trend, guys. Okay, so there's a new chapter and a manifesto and the tokenomics. So current and future team has a 17.8%, and the propagation will have a 4%. FTT holders will have 0.35%, public good 4%, liquidity is 12.35%, and Pudgy community is 25.9%, company is 11.48%, 1 year cliff, 3 years vest, guys. So other community has a 24.12%, a 5 million new Huddle members. So this is the Pengu, Pudgy, or Pengu, Pudgy, Penguin, Pudgy, or Pudgy Penguins, guys. Okay, so I'm just joking. So Pudgy Penguins, check the Pengu claim, enter Big Pudgy, Lil Pudgy, or Rogue token ID to check if it is Pengu has been claimed. So enter the token ID here and then you can claim it. Okay, so the team, the Pengilore, buy Pengu. So let's see the buy Pengu here. So this is the current price of the Pengu, guys. Okay, so 0.03 right now, and it goes up. It is on the Sol network, guys. Keep that in mind. So shop. Also, they are available in a YouTube, Discord, Twitter, and Instagram. So I'm gonna put it on my description down below, guys. So menu. Okay, I think that's all about this Pengu. They have a good visualization, good contents, and also distribution of the token, guys. So crypto most influential community, 50p plus of views on social, Walmart and Target, so millions of followers worldwide. So this is the Pudgy Penguin, guys. So again, if you want more about meme coin, wallets, or any about crypto, please subscribe to my channel. So again, thank you so much, and bye bye.